Picture a day that dawns like any other. The sun ascends, splashing the sky with brilliant hues of gold and crimson. Yet, beneath this serene facade, a tempest brews within our star. Suddenly, a colossal solar flare bursts forth, launching a barrage of charged particles towards Earth. Our planet's magnetic shield trembles under the relentless assault. Satellites flicker and fail, casualties of the unseen tempest. Power grids buckle and collapse, casting cities into an abyss of darkness. The world comes to a standstill, held hostage by the sun's wrath. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is a solar storm, a formidable and imminent threat. As we ponder the sun's immense power, we are also enchanted by its breathtaking beauty. Among its most awe-inspiring spectacles are the Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis, the northern and southern lights. These ethereal ballets of light, dancing across the night sky in mesmerizing greens, blues and reds, are a testament to the sun's mysterious power. Yet these captivating displays also carry a hidden message. Auroras are born from the mystical interaction between the sun's energetic particles and Earth's magnetic field. The more intense the solar activity, the brighter and more widespread the auroras become. Think of them as nature's own enigmatic warning system, a subtle reminder that the sun is far from passive. Unraveling the link between auroras and solar activity is crucial. Recognizing the significance of an especially vibrant or widespread aurora could provide us with precious time to prepare for the potential consequences of a major solar storm. In this cosmic dance of light and energy lies a mysterious message we must learn to decipher. To understand solar storms, we need to explore the heart of our star. The sun is a massive ball of superhot gas called plasma, where atoms are stripped of their electrons. This plasma moves around, creating strong magnetic fields that twist and turn. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections happen when these magnetic fields snap and realign. Imagine it like a cosmic rubber band snapping, releasing a huge amount of energy. These events send tons of charged particles into space, sometimes straight towards Earth. When these particles hit Earth's magnetic field, they cause geomagnetic storms and create beautiful auroras. The year was 1859. The world watched in awe as auroras blazed across the sky, so bright they were visible even during the day. Telegraph systems, the cutting-edge technology of the time, went haywire, sparking fires and delivering electric shocks to operators. This was the Carrington Event, the most powerful solar storm ever recorded. While the world in 1859 was far less reliant on technology than we are today, the Carrington Event serves as a stark reminder of the sun's potential to disrupt our lives. If a storm of that magnitude were to occur today, the consequences would be far more severe. Power grids could collapse, satellites could be knocked offline, and communication networks could be crippled, potentially costing trillions of dollars and causing widespread chaos. The Carrington Event is a history lesson we cannot afford to ignore. It underscores the ominous nature of the sun's power and the critical need for preparedness against its next major outburst. Our modern world is both blessed and cursed by technology. On the one hand, advancements in space weather forecasting give us a fighting chance to predict and prepare for solar storms. We can monitor the sun's activity, detect CMEs, and issue warnings, allowing us to take steps to mitigate the impact. However, our reliance on technology also makes us incredibly vulnerable. Our power grids, communication networks, and GPS systems are all susceptible to the whims of the sun. A major solar storm could bring these systems crashing down, crippling our ability to communicate, navigate, and even access essential services. The very technologies that connect us and make our lives easier could become our greatest liabilities in the face of the sun's fury. This duality presents a unique challenge. We must find ways to harness the power of technology to protect ourselves from its potential downfall, a delicate balancing act with potentially catastrophic consequences. Picture a colossal solar storm akin to the Carrington Event striking Earth today. The first signs are subtle, mesmerizing auroras, disrupted radio communications. Then the storm unleashes its fury. Power grids collapse, plunging entire cities into darkness. Satellites spiral out of control, electronics fried by a torrent of charged particles. GPS systems fail catastrophically, grounding planes and stranding ships at sea. Communication networks crumble, isolating communities in an instant. Hospitals struggle to function, relying on overwhelmed backup generators. The world grinds to a halt, engulfed in chaos and confusion. This scenario underscores the potential for unprecedented disruption in the wake of a major solar storm. The great news is that we have the power to prepare for this challenge. There are practical steps we can take, both individually and as a community, to get ready for the sun's next move. On a personal level, we can put together emergency kits with essential supplies like food, water, first aid, and a battery-powered radio. We can get to know our community's emergency plans and learn how to live without relying on the power grid. On a larger scale, governments and organizations can invest in strengthening critical infrastructure, developing backup communication systems and improving space weather forecasting and early warning systems. By taking these proactive steps, we can build a more resilient future, one that can weather the storms, both literal and metaphorical. Our relationship with the sun is as old as humanity itself. For millennia, we have gazed upon this celestial wonder with a mixture of awe and apprehension. Ancient civilizations worshipped the sun as a god, recognizing its power over life and death. Myths and legends were spun around its fiery presence, reflecting both our fascination and our fear. Solar storms in particular have left a legacy of awe and apprehension. These powerful events have shaped our understanding of the sun's immense energy. This duality continues to this day. We are drawn to the sun's warmth, its life-giving energy. Yet, we are also aware of its destructive potential, its ability to unleash forces beyond our control. This complex relationship is woven into the very fabric of our existence, a constant reminder of our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. As we venture deeper into the cosmos and push the frontiers of technology, we must tread carefully. Our increasing dependence on technology makes us more susceptible to the sun's unpredictable behavior. Striking a balance between progress and caution, innovation and preparedness is crucial. The advancements in understanding and predicting space weather are promising, yet we must remain vigilant and proactive. The Carrington Event is a powerful reminder of the sun's potential to unleash forces beyond our current experience. The sun, our steadfast companion, wields immense power. It is both the source of our existence and a potential catalyst for disruption. As our technology evolves, our interconnected world grows more susceptible to the sun's unpredictable nature. The question isn't if, but when the next significant solar storm will occur. Are we truly prepared? This is a question we must confront, not with trepidation, but with a sense of urgency and responsibility. The resilience of our technological civilization may hinge on our answer.